I like how this turned out. Nice handle. The parting tool or tenon making tool that I have here, I think it turned out really great. There's a couple things that I'd like to do to modify this, and in fact I need a couple more tools. And since I have some high-speed steel laying around, I have a couple pieces here. I'm going to make a pointer and I think it's called a cove tool. It's a small round nose, very sharp. And this is 6mm. I don't know if this is going to show up or not, but it's 6mm by 6mm by 200mm high-speed steel. So the first thing we're going to do is take this piece of wood, which was a portion of the handle. We're going to cut this basically in half and shape up some handles, place these in, and then shape the ends. Let's get started. So the next step is to take and put a metal band across the back side of this, and I went to the store and picked up these little copper caps. I'll drill a hole through here and we'll stick that on the end, and just like the last one, got to do a couple of measurements here. So I went ahead and measured the inside depth, marked it on the wood, and then also measured the width of the cap that we're going to cut this down to. I'll cut the hole on the top of this later, but for now, let's get that done. I can't believe it wasn't recording yet again. I don't know, I gotta make sure I'm recording or something. It's just weird. I used a number of tools to get this down to just about the right size. In fact, I could take it down a little bit more. And that is, whoa, so close. I think I could probably get the rest of it with sanding, and it'd be fine if it's a little tight anyway. You want that cap to be on there tight. So the next step. So the next step in this process is to refine the handle and to rounding off this edge. Maybe a little decoration here, let's see. Nice. Next step is to get the hole in the center of this, and we'll take it off the lathe, pop that on, and get our tool set up. Well, I went ahead and put the hole in the center here, and we'll put that on shortly. But before I do, and before we sit this inside the tool, I just want to round off this edge here a little bit. See how sharp it is. Just want to knock off the very corners here, not the sides. I want these to bite into the wood, but just this, just to get it started, seated into the wood. I'm going to round this off, so just give me a second. And there it is, rounded off. So let's go ahead and pop this off. Oh yeah. That's in a lot tighter now. Cool. And then for our tool piece, very nice. Well, let's get the other one set up. We'll make the handle for it. We'll get the copper piece, the metal band put on it, and then we'll shape both sides. over on the grinder. Well, there you go. There's our two tools. We have a sharp tool and a bit of a cove rounded tool, and the handles to go with them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe, because next week we're going to put these tools to the test. Thanks for watching. Are you kidding me? I wasn't recording again.